I'm so happy to be sharing the dice with Mr. Jain Saab. Big namaste to you. I have met you earlier on also, if you remember. And the very fact that you remembered was a very, very emotional moment for me. Mr. Joshi, Mr. Blake, big handshake and a warm handshake. Welcome to India. Welcome to Mumbai. And my friend right here is Ashish Manchanda. And of course, Ujna, who's not being talked about much, but she's the brain behind the whole concept and format. Let me begin by stating a few facts, which is very, very important. One, I'm predominantly here for my friend Ashish. He gave me a call and said, would you just motivate all of us? And I'm starting this dream project. And I said, what are you starting? He says, I'm going to promote fresh, young, raw, tremendous talent. I like the idea and I said, I'll come and speak a few words. What is important, what is very, very important for you people to know is Ashish Manchanda and I've been associated. We go a long, long way back. I remember the time when he did the mixing of my film Aks. You must remember the film Aks is a landmark film of my career. There was Filhal, there was Fiza, and I was introduced to Ashish by my friend and sound producer Ranjit Barot. And Ranjit Barot has always been telling me, you know, this guy is brilliant and you just work with him. And I said, okay, let's work together. And the results were outstanding. And we never left each other's side after that kind of work. But what caught my attention was promoting new talent. Yes, I think it's a fantastic idea. I've been a judge of Indian Idol for what? 6 seasons. I've discovered some great talent on my show, Entertainment Will Be Karega also. While I was mixing a song with Ashish, he told me that I'm going to do this kind of work. And it struck me that we have such fantastic talent in India. Local talent. I mean, there are people who are Marathi, great Marathi singers. There are some great sound producers, great creative lyric writers. And the problem is that you need a platform. I remember the time when I was very young, say 11 or 12, when I started actually meeting people, trying to get work. And the best part was we had to go and meet producers, directors. But we didn't have a platform that if I sing a song, I could reach someone and say, this is my tune. I've composed this. And I need you to help me. Now, who do you go to? You have to knock the doors of the great producers and directors. Yes, of course, I needed work and I was desperate for work. And I remember, one of the producers telling me, we have R.D. Burman with us, and a great composer. We have Lakshmi R. Pyarelal with us. We have Kalyanji Anand. Why should we take you? And they were such great composers. For me to even get a foothold in the industry was very, very tough. There was no platform. Cut to 2015. Things have changed. In reality shows, you singers come in and get a chance to showcase the talent. And this is upping things forward now. What Ashish is doing is giving a platform to local talent, Hindi singers, Marathi singers, sound producers, people who are so talented and they come to one place. He likes the songs. There are people out there. I'm sure there will be many good people to judge the talent. And then you suddenly have one Mr. Blake who's sitting right here. I mean, Beyonce. It can't get bigger than Beyonce. I'm a big fan of Beyonce. I'm a big fan of Alicia Keys. I'm a big fan of John Mayers. I can't believe that I'm standing on the same stage talking where this gentleman is here who just spoke a few words. I think there should be a big round of applause for this gentleman who sits here. We have an amazing talent. And then Sapad Group of Company comes in. I was so happy when Mr. Joshi spoke those beautiful words. He spoke from his heart. And Ashish said a very good line. You need a patron. You can't do things alone. You need someone. Even in the old days, you had these Raja Maharajas who actually guided talent and told them. My father, I remember, he told me, Maharaja Patiala was the one who actually guided my father. I was amazed. And I think they're not less than any other Maharaja. I think a big round of applause for the Parivarti people. Because they're the ones who have, co-curating with Ashish, and they're coming out with this fantastic idea. And when he spoke about chai, of course, when I was composing, I don't think any sound producer or director or singer or sound designer can ever do without a cup of tea while composing. हम लोग का तो गाना भी मेरा बन गया था गरम चाय की प्याली हो. I think that song was born out of the fact that while creating we needed this hot cup of tea. And then again, I think मेरी कुंडली में चाय बहुत लिखी हुई है. Right for the now speaking something and there is परिवार tea है. So चलता रहता है मामला ये. But I must say that, you know, suddenly when you have a video that will be directed by Blake, and if you come out with a great song and then you are exposed internationally, you can imagine the amount of exposure this young talent will have all over the world. I think what a great platform Flying Carpets is doing. With Ujla, of course, behind this, and of course Ashish, trying his best to see that great talent is, and especially Marathi singers. I'm a big fan of Marathi films. My father, you won't know my father, Shri Sardar Malik, unfortunately he's no more. He loved, Sudhir Bhatke sahab. My father was a mad admirer of Sudhir Bhatke. Not many people know that. He loved his music. I'm married to a Saraswat Brahmin girl who introduced me to a lot of Marathi films. And I've been a great, great fan of Hridaynath Mangeshkar ji. And I've always felt that there's so much talent in Marathi. There's so much great singers, so many great songwriters. And I'm so happy when those people will be given a chance to promote the talent. And especially for me, I come from Mumbai. I'm from Maharashtra. There's such talent in Maharashtra and India that I'm sure Flying Carpets with Blake, with Parivarti, separate group of companies, is the tip of the iceberg. I'm so happy I could speak a few words and motivate you guys. And I don't know how many talents. I don't know. Can someone raise any sound producers here? Any sound producers? Can they raise their hands? Oh, look at the guy behind the camera. So these are guys who are making music. These are the guys. I mean, sound is the thing, Like many years back, Gloria Estefan said, "Rhythm is gonna get you." Today, I say sound is gonna get you. आवाज किधर है भाई? Gloria Estefan said, "Rhythm is gonna get you." I said, "Sound's gonna get you." There's something wrong with the mic, but Flying Carpet will fly. Forget the mic. But let me say that this gentleman who raised his hand there are people working on Nuendos, Cubase, Logic. There's so much different kind of music that has come out now. Alternative rock. And my daughter, who's just, 22, Anmol, who's recently had a very, very big hit song. I must tell you, Blake, that my daughter Anmol did a song called Lamhe, which is an adaptation of Coldplay's Paradise. We did it through EMI. The song has garnered about 4.5 million YouTube hits in about 10 days, 12 days. It's a huge, huge hit. So I was talking to her and she said, "Dad, you're going to a nice place where they're going to encourage new talent and give them my best of wishes." And that's what Anmol said, to give you, Ashish, a lot of luck, and Ujla, you too. So let me put it this way, that people are working on different sound production all the time. They're coming out with great sounds. Logic 10 has arrived. The future of sound is huge. And then you get a platform like Flying Carpets. You come to Flying Carpets, you make your music, you create your songs, and if you're good, if you're a great singer, bingo, you got Mr. Blake doing the videos, and you're an international star. And that's good for our country, which is a very young country. I mean, 70% is youth today. I mean, this is between 25 and 28. That's the country we live in. And it's got so much talent. And there is this Flying Carpets with separate group of, Parivarti Canvas. That's the whole idea, co-curate together, to take music forward, to take our country forward. I want to wish you guys all the best. And guys, you should clap harder for Ashish Manchanda, the brain behind who's going to do a lot of scenes behind the canvas.
Thank you.
मेरा नाम लेके तो बैंड बजा दूंगा. Okay guys, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Also behind New India, so I'd like to introduce you to a person who mostly, and within the organization also, few see, but I would say is actually the heart and soul.
Do you think that with initiatives like Parivarti Canvas, there is an opportunity for a parallel music industry to really grow and stand on its own beside Bollywood as a music industry? I'm not talking about just the films, I'm saying Bollywood music. And can we have pop music coming back to the point where people will say that I want to pick up the new song which is coming out of Parivar Canvas as much as I would want to pick up a song from a film? Do you think we are on that, we can reach that stage right now?
I think I just gave you the answer. I think you must have got the answer, that I'll have to bring my daughter because it just happened right now.
Exactly.
Just 10 days back, 12 days back the song released, and that's her first indie pop. She's never ever, she just sang the song. I mean, Devraj from EMI said we got the rights for Coldplay, Paradise. So, would you reproduce it? I said, if you have the rights, let me let me try. So I just requested my daughter actually. I just told her, would you like to sing this song? She said, okay, I'll sing this song. And you won't believe it. 12 days, 4.5 million YouTube hits.
That's incredible.
So the whole market has opened, you know, and there was, it's not a particular, it's a Hindi song. But it's my daughter, first time she does an indie pop song. If the people get something what they want to hear, and if they like it, then there are no crutches. You know, people just want to get the best. Today people have a mind of their own. In fact, Mr. Joshi was just speaking about the internet. It's booming. It's you know, internet is a far-reaching medium. You know, you upload your, you have Blake actually. You know, we had Mohit, a fantastic director of Ashiki. You know, he's Mohit Suri, the whole world knows. He shot the video so well. The moment people saw the video, they wanted to see it again and again. When you have great video directors with a great song, you don't need anybody. You just need a song. And the best part is, Flying Carpet is coming out with, you're giving them a platform. You know, just trust me, I make a song, and I don't know where to go. And that is very, very, very depressive. This is a place, hey, I've got a tune. In fact, I want to tell you guys, I told this to Ashi, I'm going to tell him right now, and Ashi, you better smile on this. I have done more than 350 films, but I've got a lot of tunes buzzing in my head. And I'm going to come to you with a song. I said, Ashi, you like this thing? Please produce it with your guys and get Blake on board and picturize it on me. I'm still a struggler by the way. I keep on struggling with today. आज भी काम मांगता रहता हूँ मैं. मेरे को काम मांगने में शर्म नहीं है. You know what I'm saying? कि वो there's a saying, he won't understand the शायरी. कि भूख लगे तो चांद भी एक रोटी नजर आता है. भूख लगे तो चांद भी एक रोटी नजर आता है. आगे है जमाना फिर भी भूख पीछे पीछे. अरे सारी दुनिया की बातें 2 रोटियों के नीचे है. ये 2 रोटी चाहिए. और you know, for Mr. Joshi, the patrons, चमड़े की झोपड़ियां में आग लगी भैया, बरखा ना बुझाए रुपैया. माल है तो ताल है. इनके बिना, without Parivar Tea, you cannot take the videos forward. You cannot do anything. And to answer your question again, yes, you have a great song. It can stand on its own, but it has to be beautifully picturized, and the sound should be very good. I keep on searching for new sound designers all the time. And I've been telling Ashish, introduce me to some new sound designers. He said, on a condition, you come to Flying Carpets. He is very possessive about Flying Carpets. Yeah? So all the best.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I know we've not heard from 2 people at...
Sir, one second.
Can you just, whatever, just hold on? Yeah.
Sir, sir, look here. Sir, look here, please. Sir, madam is not sir, यहाँ पे sir. Madam is not singing. Yeah. Better, yeah. Wait, sir, yeah. Sir, यहाँ पे. अभी सबसे पहले मेरा जाएगा फोटो. देखो मैं भेज दिया. Thank you. जितने ऋतु.
So we want to thank the team from...
सर सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहेंगे परिवार टी कैनवास यूथ जो टैलेंट है हमारे इंडिया में हमारे देश में उसको किस तरह से आप किस तरह से सपोर्ट करने वाले चीज़.
मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं इसका कोई ब्रांड एम्बेसडर नहीं हूँ, ना ही ये मेरी कंपनी है. मुझे एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर की तरह बुलाया गया है. आशीष मनचंदा जी जो हैं वो साउंड मिक्सिंग करते हैं, गानों सॉन्ग मिक्सिंग करते हैं, मेरे अच्छे दोस्त हैं. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि अनुज जी मैं एक चीज़ शुरू करने वाला हूँ जहाँ मैं यंग टैलेंट को प्रमोट करूँगा और परिवार टी उनको सपोर्ट कर रही है. मैं बोला बहुत अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि मैं समझता हूँ यंग टैलेंट को प्रमोट करना चाहिए. हिंदुस्तान में बहुत यंग टैलेंट है, महाराष्ट्र में बहुत अच्छे टैलेंट हैं, हिंदी गाने वाले, हिंदी गाने बनाने वाले. इसके अलावा मराठी टैलेंट बहुत है. अगर आप लोकल टैलेंट जो बोलते हैं, आप देखिए कोल्हापुर हो, शोलापुर हो, नासिक हो, लोनावला हो, कहीं भी आप नासिक कहीं भी चले जाइए, आप मुंबई हो, आपको बहुत अच्छा लोकल टैलेंट मिलता है, लेकिन उनको प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलता है. तो इन्होंने जब कहा कि मैं उनको प्लेटफॉर्म देना चाहता हूँ, मैं उसको नेक काम समझता हूँ, बहुत अच्छा काम समझता हूँ. तो मैं कुछ बातें शेयर करने आया था और मैं उनको ऑल द बेस्ट कहने आया, क्योंकि आशीष मनचंदा मेरी पहली फिल्म आई थी अक्स, फिलहाल, फिज़ा, तो उसमें जो गाने मिक्स किए थे उन्होंने किया था. रंजीत बारोट साहब ने मुझे इनके साथ मिलाया था, मेरे साउंड प्रोड्यूसर ने. बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हैं एंड आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट।
जी सर, जिस तरह से रियलिटी शोज़ आ रहे हैं या फिर ये जो परिवार कैनवास जो ये है, ये जो यूथ के लिए कितना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है, क्योंकि हर किसी को चांस नहीं मिल पाता है।
देखिए वो प्लेटफॉर्म होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। आप अपना कला लेके कहाँ जाएंगे? या तो रियलिटी शोज़ में आते हैं आप, रियलिटी शोज़ के अंदर आप आते हैं, आपके सामने जजेस होते हैं, वहाँ मौका मिलता है। आज कितने सिंगर्स आगे बढ़ गए हैं थैंक्स टू रियलिटी शोज़। उसी तरह ये भी फॉर्मेट अच्छा है कि जहाँ ये अपने गाने लेके आएंगे, ये साउंड प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, चल गया गाना, बहुत अच्छी बात है। और इंटरनेट रेवोल्यूशन है अभी, आप तो जानते हो कि इंटरनेट पर आप गाना अपलोड कर दो और गाना अगर जनता को पसंद आ जाए तो कहाँ से कहाँ चले जाता है। तो आई थिंक टेक्नोलॉजी का भी फ़ायदा उठाना चाहिए और इस सही इस्तेमाल है।
जी, एज अ फादर क्या आप फील करते हैं, खासकर अनमोल के लिए, जिस तरह से उनके गाने को लंबे को इतना ज़्यादा सराहा गया है और इतने सारे व्यूज़ मिले हैं, क्या करें?
मैं सबसे पहले तो ऊपर वाले का लाख लाख शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। अनमोल मेरी बेटी ने बहुत स्ट्रगल किया, आज जाके जब EMI का गाना जो कोल्ड प्ले का एडेप्टेशन है पैराडाइज का, वो अनमोल ने सिर्फ महज गाना गाया है उसमें। पहली बार उसने इंडी पॉप गाना गाया है और 4.5 मिलियन यूट्यूब हिट्स हो चुके हैं और 12 दिन के अंदर। तो बहुत बड़ी बात है इतनी बड़ी सक्सेस मिलना एंड मैं बहुत खुश हूँ अनमोल के लिए। अनमोल की आवाज़ इतनी पसंद की गई, अनमोल को बहुत पसंद किया। मोहित सूरी साहब ने जो डायरेक्ट किया है, यानी कि वो गाने को कहाँ से कहाँ ले गए और अनमोल पर ही पिक्चराइज हुआ है, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। और जनता को मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ हाथ जोड़ के, थैंक यू द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया जिन्होंने मेरी बेटी को इतना प्यार दिया है, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
जी, क्या एडवाइस देते हैं आप खासकर?
मैं ये एडवाइस देना चाहता हूँ कि आप बस अपना अच्छा म्यूज़िक बनाते रहें और अच्छा गाना गाते रहें और मेहनत करते रहें। और हम कहते हैं कि इट्स ए यंग इंडिया और उनमें से एक मेरी अनमोल है, मेरी छोटी बेटी अदा भी है। तो ये जो आजकल के बच्चे हैं ना, ये बहुत टैलेंटेड हैं और बहुत सॉर्टेड हैं और बहुत हमारे देश को आगे लेके जाएंगे। तो मैं अनमोल को भी ये एडवाइस करता हूँ कि बी हार्ड वर्किंग, बी humble which she is and keep on working hard।
जी, वो तो ज़रूर, हमने कई बार उसकी इंटरव्यूज़ किए हैं तो
जी
मालूम
जी,
पड़ता है
बहुत
सर।
मेहनत करती है वो और बहुत सुलझी हुई लड़की है।
सर, इस बार तो
और
फिर
दुआएं चाहिए हिंदुस्तानियों की, हमारे भाई बहनों की, सबकी, बिकॉज मैं जो कुछ हूँ जनता के प्यार की वजह से हूँ।
जी, इस बार दीपावली में फिर कोई गिफ्ट देना चाहेंगे आप अनमोल के लिए कुछ, क्योंकि इतना बड़ा
सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट तो
किस
ऊपर वाले
तरह
ने
का
दिया
प्लानिंग चल रहा
है।
है?
दिवाली गिफ्ट इससे बड़ी क्या हो सकती है कि आज इतने बड़ा गाना हिट हो गया है और उसकी ज़िंदगी, कला की ज़िंदगी अब शुरू हुई है और सही तरीके में, सही रास्ते में। एंड आई विश हर ऑल द बेस्ट एंड आई विश इंडिया ऑल द बेस्ट। मेरा गाना आपको याद होगा, आज भी चलता है, ईस्ट और वेस्ट, इंडिया इज़ द
India is
बेस्ट।
the best।
एंड हैप्पी दिवाली टू एवरी इंडियन, माय फ्रेंड्स। मैं बार बार कहता हूँ, फिर से कहूँगा, दुनिया देखी है मैंने, इंडिया से बेहतर कंट्री ना थी, ना है और ना होगी। देयर इज़ नो कंट्री बेटर देन इंडिया। एंड हैप्पी दिवाली टू एवरीबॉडी।
थैंक यू सो मच।